Hi, I'm Marisol, a park ranger. I work for the National Park Service. I work at Yosemite National Park. It's beautiful here. My job has many duties. As they say, I wear all kinds of hats. Sometimes I fix things. Sometimes I do a police officer's job. I keep people safe. Please stay on the path. Sometimes I put on my firefighter's hat and call for help. I see smoke. Can you send a plane? And sometimes I wear this hat on my days off. People come from all over the world to enjoy the beauty of Yosemite. My ranger hat tells people that I'm here to help. Take your time. You can do it.